this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. We're not doing any stamping today, but we are playing with some pigments. The pink and the blue, glow-in-the-dark pink and blue pigment Pixie. They are very fine, super, almost powdery, but they're not powdery. They are super, super fine though, and they do glow in the dark. We will check that out later. I have them out of my palette. I've got 5 nails ready. Here's my little starter that whoopsie. My one that I started without you. On the other 4 nails, I have got, okay, on the nails, I have the super, super, super light pink by iGel Beauty. It's called Wedding Cake. It is a super light pink, and I just love it. I did do full coverage on the nail. I have like in a French glue stencil gel where I'm going to put the pigments. I got my brush, and I'm doing half pink. This is a piece of something. Yeah, a piece of something in my pigment. I'm going to do pink and blue. Pink and blue. These are the only 2 colors I have. I'm gonna ombre them on kinda, sorta. Sorry if I wasn't in frame all the way. I'm gonna dab into the blue. So I'm gonna do all 4 nails. I don't know if I should make you watch me. Pause and come back. What do you think? I mean, it can be kind of quick. And it should end. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Some I went really high up on, some I did not. It's kind of hard to see. Kind of hard to stay in your area. Kind of hard to stay in your area. Pink and pink. Stay in your area, Cherie. Stay in your area. Stay in your area. Get the blue glow in the dark on the nail. I don't think I did so swift with the, it's kind of hard to see where you're putting the clear under the pink because the pink is so light. But you get the gist of what to do, right? You can get these at SheModern.com. Check the catalog. Use my code at checkout. They got any kind of thing you can imagine. Sticky stamping polishes, glow-in-the-dark pigments. They do have the powders, glow-in-the-dark powders now. They have glow-in-the-dark liquids. They have all kinds of things, Because they have the, they do have the square bottle, the glow-in-the-dark. These are the powder, the pigment powders. So you can check that out. They have the fluorescent pigments. They have the temperature changing. Oh my god, temperature, I don't have any of those out here, do I? Let me look. Yes, we do. Clear to lavender, hot to cold, temperature changing pigments. These are those. This is lavender right now, so it'd be the cold probably. Hot would be the clear, I assume. But they've got so many things, the sticky stamping polishes, the watercolors. Back in for some stickers. But first I'm going to top coat. Where's my other top coat that I'm going to use? First I'm going to go in with this gel top coat. My finalizing, I will use SheModern Glossy Top Coat. No white. Both of these are no white. Let me use this one first. In between each, get you some no lint wipes. So you do that contaminate. If you don't want to contaminate your bottle, so white. 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 Over here. White. You seal your nail properly on the sides because of the pigment. Like this again. Wait. I do use this top coat on a regular basis. Make it again. Alright, we are now going to dive in with our stickers. One nail at a time, one nail at a time. There's some really, really pretty ones here. Let you take a gander. Don't know where I got these from. They've been in my sticker album for a little bit. I love these. This one, this is the bigger version of this. Love those too. I mean, all these are really super pretty. So, let me see. This one here. Ooh. I need to pop you up. Did it to me? There we go. I had it a second ago. Oh. Oh, come on. There we go. I want to get all different colors. All different colors. Oh, shoot. I have to use this one. I have to. And I'm going to drop it. I don't use any bling, believe it or not. Believe it or not. This blue one's really calling to me. Really, really calling to me. So there we go. There's my can. Here are French manicure, French ombre. How do we say this? French glow-in-the-dark ombre butterfly nails. That is a mouthful, isn't it? So we're going to top coat again. We hope they still glow well. I did shut off the overhead. So we will see a real good ombre, or a glow. I can't talk. Can't form a word. Can't form a sentence, a thought. What time is it? It's like 10 o'clock at night. I shouldn't have filmed the video. I should have just saved it for tomorrow. If you know, we'll knock it out. Go to bed. Yep, surround edit. I should have just waited. But whatever. They are beautiful. I got this idea from Kiki, my friend. So, Kiki, thank you very much for letting me steal your idea. Thank you for suggesting. They are so pretty. So, so pretty. So, I'm going to pop these in the lamp for 60. Okay, we are back. We have got 4, 3, 2, 1. And the lamp is off. Can't get them out. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. They are glowing. Let me shut the tablet off again. There we are. There are the true glow of the nail. Didn't get good, very good over here, did I? Well, this one still, my practice nail that I did was still the better one. Still a good try, though. Still a good try. Here are my pink and my blue from SheModern. Love, love, love. Check them out in the catalog. Nailed67 is my code. Thank you, Kiki, for your idea. Love you, girl. Have a blessed day, and thank you.